All right, grade 7, listen up. Mr. Becker has just dropped an absolutely epic new quest, and it is all about you. We're talking about the Grade 7 App Challenge, and this is your chance to build something legendary. So let's dive right in. Look, forget about boring old homework. This is a power move. This is your chance to literally code a better school experience for yourself and, for everyone else. So the real question is, are you ready to change the game? I mean, think about it. We've all been there, right? You get that sinking feeling in your stomach when you realize you completely forgot a major assignment was due. What if an app could just solve that? Poof, problem gone. Or what about that feeling of cramming for a huge test? The stress is so real. But imagine an app that could just feed you practice questions, get you all prepped, so you walk into that exam feeling totally confident. Yeah, these are the kinds of problems you actually get to solve. So here it is, the official mission, straight from Mr. Becker himself. Your quest is to design an app that will improve your experience at school. See, this isn't just about coding. It's about making your life and your friends' lives way, way easier. All right, let's level up. On to level 1, designing the vibe. Before you even think about writing a single line of code, you've got to decide what your app feels like. This is the fun, creative part, so let's get into it. Okay, now for the most important rule of all. Your app has to be super user-friendly. That means nobody should need a 20-page manual to figure it out. It's got to be simple, it's got to be fast, and it's got to be easy to use. No cap. So what's your app's personality going to be? You've got a couple of options here. You could go for option A, the main character. We're talking bright colors, fun pictures, big energy. Or maybe you're more option B, the low-key legend. Super simple, clean, and just really easy to read. Both are totally valid. The choice is all yours. Okay, stop. Before you do anything else, and I really mean anything, your very first move is this. Rename and save your project. Put your name on it so you don't lose your masterpiece. Seriously, do this first. I'm not kidding. Awesome. Time for level 2, the branding glow-up. See, a great app isn't just a tool, it's a whole brand. Let's give your creation an identity that really makes it stand out from the crowd. So to build your brand, you need 3 key things. First, a unique name, something catchy that people are going to remember. Second, a relevant slogan that tells everyone exactly what your app does in just a few words. And third, you need an awesome logo. This is your app's face to the world, so make it cool. And next up, we've got level 3, coding the core. Okay, this is where we get into the nuts and bolts of it all, but don't think of these as like boring rules. Think of them as power-ups you need to collect to build a truly powerful app. Your first power-up is the number 15. Got it? Lock that number in your brain right now. 15. So what's with the 15? Well, your app needs at least 15 objects. And objects are really just the things that users can see and interact with. Like buttons they can press, text areas they can type in, or labels that give them information. You need at least 15 of these essential building blocks. You got that? Good. Next power-up is the number 2. It's a simple one, but it's super, super important. That's right, you need a minimum of 2 different screens in your app. And they can't just be floating around on their own. You have to link them together with a button so the user can actually get from one screen to the next. And your final power-up, number 4 for this core build is 4. Just 4. Yep, that's it. Your app needs at least 4 images to really bring it to life. This could be your logo, maybe some background pictures or cool icons. Whatever you choose, make it look good. Okay, now for a quick pro tip. Every single one of your 15-plus objects needs its own unique ID, and there's a system for this. You always start with a 3-letter code for the type of object, like BTN for a button, and then you give it a specific name. This keeps your code super clean and organized. Trust me, it's a non-negotiable. Okay, you've designed it, you've branded it, you've coded it. Now, it's time for the final level, securing the W. This is how you submit your project and get that win. So you're going to want to pay close attention right here. Here is your final checklist. It's 3 simple steps. First, on paper, you're going to describe what your app's all about. Keep it short, 70 words max. Second, you'll write out clear instructions so anyone can pick it up and use it. And third, and this is the big one, you hand in that paper and you mark the assignment as done on Google Classroom. Listen, I'm going to repeat this because it is the most important part. You have to do both things. hand in the paper, and click Done on Google Classroom. If you only do one of those, your project will not get marked. Seriously, think of it like a two-part final boss. You gotta be both parts to win the game. And that's it. You have the mission, you have the levels, you have the rules. You literally have the power to create something that could actually make school better. So the only question left is, what are you going to create? Your legacy starts now.